Hello, in this demo we want to talk about the collaboration between the BubbleRAN, Telenor and NVIDIA for establishing the Telenor Maritime use case. In the Telenor Maritime use cases, they have one private 5G network over the ship and they want to have 3 network slices over this private 5G network for 3 use cases. Those use cases are push to talk to provide network connection between the captain and the crew. The second one is the passenger traffic that provides internet access to the passengers of the ship. And the last one is the remote inspection for sending the video streaming traffic from the ship to the shore. Telenor Maritime defined 3 service profiles for each use cases. And in these service profiles, they talk about the data flow that is going to be go through each network connection. Telenor Maritime defined 3 service profiles for each use cases. Each service profile give us a very high level information, such as in which region and zone they want the network slice to be established. Besides that, they talk about the content rate and the latency class for each slice. When they define these service profiles, they give it to the BubbleRAN network slicing framework. In the BubbleRAN network slicing framework, we have the slice operator, which is the slice server engine that receives the service profiles from the Telenor Maritime or vertical industries. Here in the slice operator, we have a component SO CSMF that it is the 3G compliance of the CSMF that receive the service profile and convert them to the slice profiles and give them to the SO NSMF. Here in SO NSMF, when we receive the slice profiles, based on the available resources that we have in the infrastructure, decides to create the slices. For doing this operation, it talks with the MX operator, which is the ORAN SMO and the 3GP NSMF for deploying the network functions so that the network slices will be established. And also it talks with the MX rig, which is the ORAN RAP and the 3GP application function for reserving the resources at the RAN side through the ORAN stack and also through the 3GPP specification, so that the quality of the service will be guaranteed at the RAN side and at the core network side. So here we can see the connectivity of the network functions that SIS operator decided to create. Because we have one G-Node B on the ship, the BubbleRAN network slicing framework decided to divide this G-Node B into 3 slices, and at the core network side create one UPF for each slice. And this is the blueprint of the slices that has been created by the slice operator and the MX operator and MX3. So here we can see the network functions that has been established by the BubbleRAN network slicing framework.
And now we will move to the intelligent part of the demo. So here, as we can see, this demo is a collaboration between Telenor and NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, they provide us here their GPU cluster with a NIM framework, so we can remotely access their GPUs, and we have also the NIMO framework that we can fine-tune smaller models, SLMs, for our use case. Implement this agent design here. So what we do is this abstraction right here. We expose all the telco APIs from the network. It can either be the full physical or a network or a digital twin, and all of these are dumped into the database. This database implements a RAG pipeline that feds the appropriate context to the model to answer the questions. And in this demo, we are using the Llama 70 billion model, the foundation model, to answer the questions. And now we are going to move to see more detail the chatbot interface and how we communicate with the model. So basically here we will explain what observability is being provided and how the user can ask questions.
Yes, so here for example we can see that the user is asking where is the coverage area for the PTT service profile. The PTT is the push to talk service profile, and the assistant is providing the answer, which is Oslo as a region and zone 1, and it is the correct answer, which you can see also here, the service profile that we apply at the beginning. Similarly, we can ask questions like how many slicings are you seeing, and the answer is 3 in this case. And we can also ask for more information about the slices. For example, here it says that there are 3 slices with the following IDs, and these IDs are 3GPP compliant. And for example, here it gives me the PTT Pragmatics passenger traffic, which is one of the service profiles that we have applied at the beginning. Furthermore, we can also ask, for example, what is the status of the network for troubleshooting the current network state. And in this case, since all of the elements here are available, are ready, it says that the network progressed successfully and all the replica sets are ready to use.
So this is how we can automate the network observability, and in the future we want also to connect it to actions to enforce policies and close the loop to create an fully autonomous agent. So this was a collaboration with Telenor and NVIDIA, and thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you.